Hi everyone, Network Guru here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color or add tint to all your app icons on iOS 18. Keep in mind, this feature is only available if you are running iOS 18. So let's dive in. First, choose any app on your home screen. It doesn't matter which one, and press and hold until the edit home screen option appears. When it does, tap Edit at the top of the screen. Next, select Customize. Here you'll see option to choose between automatic, light, dark or tinted. To change the app colors, choose tinted and you'll be able to pick a customized color for all your app icons. Simple adjust the slider, select your preferred color. Once you are decided, tap anywhere outside the purple to save your change. Now, as you can see, all the app icons on your home screen have been updated with the new color. That's how you can easily customize the appearance of your apps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for my tips and tricks for your iPhone and other apps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.